Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Nice to meet you. How are you? My name is. I'm Yelena. I'm from Serbia. I live in Lazarevac. I'm an English teacher. I'm 30 years old. I like music and travel. My hobby is reading. In my free time, I walk and watch films. I speak Serbian and English. What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? What do you do? How old are you? What are your hobbies?